Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. The essential travel tips are destination for you today. It's the top 20 how to travel with only a backpack for 2025. Traveling with only a backpack is a philosophy as much as it is a practical choice. It's about simplifying your journey, shedding the excess baggage, literally and figuratively, and embracing a life of flexibility, freedom, and adventure. When you choose to travel light, you're not just reducing the weight you carry, you're also opening yourself up to new experiences with less worry and more spontaneity. The beauty of minimalist travel is the liberation it brings. No more dragging around bulky suitcases or worrying about luggage fees. Instead, you're free to move quickly, explore more, and immerse yourself in the places you visit without the weight of unnecessary possessions holding you back. A backpack forces you to prioritize what you truly need, honing your ability to pack efficiently and make smart decisions about the essentials. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway, a month-long road trip, or an extended backpacking adventure across continents, packing with just one backpack challenges you to embrace the essentials, think creatively, and focus on the journey itself rather than the things you bring along. In this guide, we'll walk you through the key principles, tips, and strategies for traveling with just a backpack, so you can master the minimalist way of travel and make the most of every step of your adventure. From packing smart to managing your belongings and staying comfortable on the road, you'll learn how to thrive on the go, light, agile, and ready for anything. Ready to take the plunge into a more liberated style of travel? Let's dive in. Here's your top 20 how to travel with only a backpack for 2025. Traveling light isn't just about convenience, it's a mindset. With the right approach, you can explore the world with just a backpack, giving you more freedom and flexibility. Let's dive deep into packing, essentials, and strategies to master this minimalist travel style. 1. Choosing the right backpack. Your backpack is your best friend, so pick wisely. Size: 35L. 45L is ideal. Anything larger can become cumbersome. Fit: get one with padded shoulder straps, a hip belt, and a ventilated back for comfort. Accessibility: a front-loading backpack is easier to organize than a top-loading one. Weather resistance: a water-resistant backpack protects your gear. Organization: multiple compartments help separate clothes, electronics, and toiletries. Recommended backpacks: Osprey Farpoint 40 Nomadic Travel Backpack, Patagonia Black Hole 40L Tortuga Setout 2. Packing smart: the minimalist approach. Think versatility, durability, and weight when choosing what to pack. Clothing: 3 shirts, 3 pairs of underwear, 3 pairs of socks, 1 pair of pants, 1 pair of shorts, 1 lightweight hoodie or jacket, 1 set of sleepwear, 1 packable rain jacket or windbreaker, 1 pair of comfortable walking shoes, 1 pair of sandals. Pro tip: stick to neutral colors so everything matches. Packing techniques: rolling versus folding. Roll clothes tightly to save space and reduce wrinkles. Packing cubes: organize your items by category, 1 for clothes, 1 for toiletries, 1 for accessories. Compression bags: great for saving space if you're carrying bulkier items like a jacket. 3. Toiletries: stay compact and TSA-friendly. Must-have travel toiletries: solid toiletries, shampoo bar, soap bar, and deodorant stick. Travel-size toothpaste and foldable toothbrush, multi-purpose balm, razor, mini hairbrush or comb, sunscreen, laundry detergent sheets, microfiber towel. Pro tip: use refillable travel bottles for liquid toiletries to comply with airline rules. 4. Electronics: keep it minimal. Essential tech gear: smartphone, power bank, universal travel adapter, noise-canceling earbuds, e-reader, or tablet charging cables. 5. Documents and money management: digital backups. Scan and store copies of your passport, IDs, insurance, and travel itinerary. Money strategy: use a mix of cash, debit, and credit cards. Minimalist wallet: a small RFID blocking wallet helps keep essentials safe. Travel insurance: always have coverage for medical emergencies, lost items, and trip delays. Pro tip: use a money belt or hidden pouch for added security in crowded areas. 6. Staying organized on the road: use a day pack. A small foldable backpack is great for day trips. Laundry on the go: wash clothes in the sink with detergent sheets. Use a travel clothesline for drying. Minimalist packing mindset: if you don't use it weekly, you probably don't need it. Repacking strategy: Keep frequently used items at the top of your backpack. 7. Travel hacks for backpacking light. Wear your heaviest clothing on travel days to save space. Use hotel toiletries instead of carrying extra. Download offline maps for easy navigation. Book accommodations with laundry to extend your clothing use. Choose multipurpose items like a scarf. Ditch the suitcase mentality. Buy things on the road if needed. Final thoughts: traveling with just a backpack is a game changer. It forces you to prioritize, move freely, and avoid baggage fees. With the right gear and mindset, you'll discover the joy of minimalist travel, light, efficient, and stress-free. Where are you heading next? Need packing advice for a specific destination? Vous evaded. More ChatGPT did. Absolutely. Let's dive deeper into the art of minimalist travel with a backpack. Here's more on how to stay light, smart, and prepared while traveling with just one bag. 8. How to pack for different types of travel. Backpacking in the wilderness. If you're hiking or doing adventure travel, you'll need to balance weight and practicality. Compact sleeping bag. A lightweight, compressible sleeping bag or liner is key for comfort. Portable stove and utensils. A small camping stove and lightweight utensils will help with cooking. Water purification. A small water filter or purification tablets can save you weight and money when trekking. First aid kit. Include basics: bandages, antiseptic, pain relievers, and any personal medications. Pro tip: choose gear made from ultralight materials. This makes a huge difference in backpack weight. Urban travel. For city travel, you don't need heavy gear, but consider security and comfort. Anti-theft backpack. Look for bags with hidden zippers or locking mechanisms to avoid theft in crowded places. Comfortable shoes. City exploration involves a lot of walking. Choose shoes that are stylish yet practical. Foldable clothes. Keep items like a button-down shirt or dress packed tightly for nicer dinners or events. Portable water bottle. Especially in cities where you might be doing a lot of walking, hydration is key. 9. Packing for special conditions. Weather considerations. Rainy weather. Invest in a packable rain jacket that fits into your bag without taking up space. A rain cover for your backpack keeps electronics dry when it pours. Cold weather. Opt for a down jacket that packs small and keeps you warm. Thermal layers are lightweight and effective for insulation. Hot weather. Light, breathable clothing will keep you cool. Sun protection. Sunglasses, a wide-brimmed hat, and SPF lip balm are essentials. 10. Organizing your backpack like a pro. A little organization goes a long way, especially when you're packing light. Key packing tips: use the Tetris method. When packing, think of your backpack as a puzzle. Fit smaller items inside shoes, or tuck things into corners. Create zones in your backpack. Top compartment, snacks, daily essentials. Middle compartment, clothes, underwear, accessories. Bottom compartment, shoes, laundry bag, or a sleeping bag. Side pocket, water bottle, sunglasses, small gadgets. Pro tip: keep toiletries and electronics in a waterproof pouch to avoid leaks and spills. 11. How to stay safe while traveling light. When you're carrying everything on your back, staying secure is important. Here are some safety tips for a minimalist traveler. Backpack security: invest in anti-theft gear. Look for a backpack with locking zippers, or use a combination lock. Keep valuables in hidden pouches. A money belt or neck wallet is excellent for passports, cash, and credit cards. Zip your bag securely. Always close zippers fully to avoid anyone sneaking into your bag. Be mindful in crowded areas. Pickpockets thrive in places like subways, tourist attractions, or markets. Stay alert. Health safety travel insurance. Always get travel insurance that covers health and unexpected cancellations. Stay hydrated. Carry a reusable water bottle, especially in hotter climates. Dehydration can affect your energy levels. Sunscreen. Even if it's cloudy, wear sunscreen to prevent damage from UV rays. 12. How to travel on a budget with just a backpack. Traveling light not only makes your journey easier, but it also helps you save money. Cheaper accommodations. Hostels. Many hostels provide both budget accommodations and a great social atmosphere. Airbnb. You can rent a room or couch, cutting accommodation costs while meeting locals. Couch surfing. Stay with locals for free and connect with the community, Just make sure you read reviews carefully. Save on public transport. Skip taxis and use local buses, subways, or trams to get around. Cheap flights. Use apps like Skyscanner or Google Flights to find budget airlines, but always check baggage fees. Walking and biking. With only a backpack, walking and biking around cities can save transportation costs and give you a true feel for the place. 13. Staying healthy and active on the road. Traveling light doesn't mean you have to sacrifice fitness. Exercise tips for travelers: portable resistance bands. These are light, versatile, and can be used anywhere for a full body workout. Run or walk. A morning run or walk around your destination is a great way to explore and stay fit. Yoga. A simple yoga mat can make your travel mornings more peaceful and flexible. 14. Packing for digital nomads. If you're working remotely while traveling with just a backpack, keep your load even lighter by opting for the essentials. Laptop and charger. Choose a lightweight laptop or tablet to work on the go. Portable Wi-Fi. Invest in a mobile hotspot device for internet access, or check the availability of Wi-Fi at your accommodations. Noise-canceling headphones. These are great for working in noisy environments like cafes or hostels. External storage. Carry a portable hard drive or USB stick for extra backup. 15. Last-minute tips for ultimate packing success. Don't overthink it. Packing light means you won't need to pack everything. Layer your clothing. Build outfits that can serve multiple purposes. For example, a long-sleeve shirt can be worn day or night, or layered under a jacket for warmth. Leave some space. Leave room in your bag for any souvenirs or new items you buy during your travels. Ready to hit the road with just a backpack? With the right approach and a minimalist mindset, traveling with only a backpack can be incredibly freeing and efficient. Plus, you'll be able to go places and do things you wouldn't have been able to if you had been lugging around extra baggage. Where are you heading next? And what's your next packing challenge? Vous avez it. More ChatGPT edit. You're ready for a full minimalist travel experience. Let's go even deeper into the world of traveling light and how to truly make the most of packing with only a backpack. Here are even more detailed tips to ensure your journey is stress-free and comfortable. 16. How to deal with travel stress and adjustments. Mental preparation. Traveling light can sometimes be overwhelming, especially if it's your first time trying minimalist travel. Here are a few strategies to make the transition easier. Stay flexible. Things rarely go exactly as planned, but embracing the unpredictability can lead to the best experiences. Be prepared for minor setbacks. Flight delays, lost luggage, or wrong turns are all part of the adventure. Just go with the flow and avoid overpacking in the first place to keep things simple. Have a backup plan. Whether it's knowing the location of the nearest embassy or having a backup credit card, a little extra preparation goes a long way. Mindfulness and traveling light doesn't just free up physical space, it can also clear mental clutter. Meditation. Start each day with a short, guided meditation. Apps like Headspace or Calm can help you find focus and stay grounded. Stay present. Rather than worrying about the next place to go or things to do, focus on enjoying the moment you're in right now. 17. Sleeping well on the road. When you're only traveling with a backpack, getting quality sleep can be tricky, but it's definitely doable with the right approach. Comfortable sleep essentials. Earplugs and sleep mask. Perfect for noisy hostels or if you're dealing with jet lag. Portable pillow. Some inflatable travel pillows fold up small and are super comfy for longer bus or plane rides. Sleep hygiene. Try to keep a consistent bedtime routine, even if you're in a new time zone. Resting in hostels and budget accommodation. Book in advance. If you're traveling to a popular spot, booking a bed in a well-reviewed hostel can guarantee you a better sleep experience. Opt for private rooms when possible. While a dorm room is cheaper, private rooms usually give you more peace and quiet for better rest. Hostel etiquette. Keep your space tidy, respect quiet hours, and have earphones ready for any late-night noises. 18. Staying comfortable on long journeys. Traveling light is great, but long flights, bus rides, or trains can still take their toll on your body. Here are tips to keep your body comfortable even on the longest of travel days. Stay comfortable on planes and trains. Compression socks. These help with circulation and reduce swelling during long trips. Travel pillow and blanket. If your backpack can fit them, Having a travel pillow and blanket ensures you get some rest during flights or bus rides. Hydrate. Air travel can leave you dehydrated. Drink water regularly. Stretch. When you're waiting around at the airport or during stops on train journeys, do some basic stretches to avoid stiffness. Healthy eating on the go. Healthy snacks. Bring lightweight, nutritious snacks like nuts, energy bars, or dried fruits to avoid pricey, unhealthy airport food. Local markets. Whenever possible, stop by a local market for fresh fruits, veggies, or snacks. Not only is it a more affordable option, but it'll also let you experience a local flavor. 19. Getting the most out of your backpack. Your backpack doesn't just carry your stuff, it's an essential part of your journey. Here are tips on how to maximize its use and longevity. Use every front pocket. Great for things like your passport, tickets, or any quick access essentials. Side pocket. Perfect for your water bottle, sunscreen, or sunglasses. Hidden zippers. Use them for valuable items like your phone or wallet. Keeping it comfortable. Distribute weight. Place heavier items near your back and close to your center of gravity to prevent strain on your shoulders and hips. Adjust straps. Regularly adjust the shoulder and hip straps to prevent discomfort and ensure an even weight distribution. Reorganize regularly. As you travel, your packing will shift. Reassess and reorganize every few days to maintain comfort. 20. Navigating cultural sensitivity. When you're traveling light, it's easier to blend into local cultures and immerse yourself in new experiences. But cultural awareness is essential. Here's how to navigate social dynamics in different regions. Learning cultural norms. Research local customs. What's appropriate to wear? How do people greet each other? And what are the expectations for behavior in public? Researching the destination will show respect for local traditions. Pack appropriately. Some cultures may have specific dress codes, particularly in religious sites or conservative areas. Pack a scarf or modest clothing to be prepared. Use basic phrases. Even if you don't speak the language fluently, learn a few phrases like hello, thank you, and goodbye. It shows respect for the culture and makes interactions more enjoyable. Staying respectful and responsible. Avoid over-tipping. In some countries, tipping is not the norm. Research the tipping customs of the place you're visiting to avoid any uncomfortable situations. Photography etiquette. Always ask for permission before taking pictures of people or private spaces, especially in culturally sensitive areas. Have a nice trip.